Good morning students. Welcome to class 7th maths. Now we will begin practice at 24. Write the following rational numbers in decimal form. 13 upon 4. You have to divide this. Denominator what number you have? You have to write in divisor place. Numerator what number you have? You have to write on dividend place. How divide it? 4 3s are 12. 3 minus 2 1. Now you are not getting remainder 0 over here. You have to continue the division. You have to put the decimal point. Okay, and so then afterwards you have to continue division till the remainder gets 0. Here also put decimal point that time. 0 you have to bring it down. Okay, 4 2s are 8. 10 minus 8 2. You can do cancellation method also if 0 minus 8 is not going, or direct subtraction also you can use. Again 0 take. 4 almost are 20. 4 5s are. So I got remainder 0. So you have to stop now. Quotient what you got, now you have to write the answer. Question what is given right here. 13 upon 4 is equal to quotient what you got. This is the answer. Now look at next one. Minus 7 upon 8. Denominator 8 is the divisor. Minus 7 is the dividend. Minus sign you have put, you can put last also when you get quotient. Now you dividend you take it as 7 and you are dividing. 8 and 7. 7 is the smaller number, 8 is the greater number. Divisor is greater than dividend, so it is not going. So take 0. 8 zeros are 0. 7 minus 0 is 7. Now continue the division. Decimal point, after the decimal point you have to continue the division. Okay, so put decimal point here. Here put, take it 0. 8 8s are 64. Because 8 9s are 72. 72 is greater than 70. In the division, if the number is not going, 8 table is not going 70. Okay, last small which is coming in the table, when you say 8 table by 8, that number you have to take last small. 8 9s are 72. 72 is greater than 70. So 8 8s are 64. This is the last small number. If the dividend is not divisible by divisor, -70 minus 64 is answer getting 6. Take 0 again. 8 7s are 56. Because last number small is 8 7s are 56. 8 8s are 64. 64 is greater than 60. So 8 7s are 56 you have to take. 60 minus 56 4. 0 bring it down again. You have to continue the division till the remainder gets 0. 8 5s are 40. So you got remainder 0. Remember, this is dividend, this is divisor, this is quotient, and this is remainder. Now you can write the answer. Minus 7 upon 8 is equal to quotient. What you got here, that you have to write. Minus is given, no? So here now in answer time you have to put minus sign. Quotient what you got, that you have to write. Minus 0.875. Now look at third sum. 7, 3 upon 5. Mixed number is given. Integer, numerator upon denominator. Denominator write as it is. Okay. 7 into 5 plus 3. First denominator you have to, mixed number you have to convert into improper fraction. Okay. Denominator write as it is. This you have to take multiplication form. 7 into 5. Of number, that is numerator what is there, plus that number you have to take, plus 3. 7 5s are 35 plus 3 upon 5. 35 plus 3, 38 upon 5. Now you have to divide this number 38 by 5. 38 divided by 5. Last small which is coming, see if this number is not going 5 table. 5 7s are 35. 8 minus 5, 3. Take a decimal point. Here also put decimal point. 0 take. 5 6 are 30. So I am getting reminder 0. Okay. So now you have to write the answer. In question what is given? Mixed number is given. That question you have to write. 7 3 upon 5 is equal to. Now after dividing here, after converting mixed number into improper fraction, and after dividing that number, quotient what you got, you have to write this answer. Here, this. Now look at next one. Twelve is the divisor, 5 is the dividend. 5 upon 12 is 1. So you have to divide 5 by 12. 12 is greater than 5. Divisor is greater than dividend. So it is not going. Take 0. 12 zeros are 0. 5 minus 0 is 5. Now decimal point you output. Okay. Now 0 take. Say 12 table in mind. Last number which is coming small. See that. 12 4s are 48 is the last small number, because 12 5s are 60. 60 is greater than 50. 50 minus 48, 2. 12 ones are 12. 20 minus 12, 8. Again take 0. 12 6 are 72. 80 minus 72, 8. Again take 0. 12 6 are 72. Again your reminder getting 8. So here division does not come to an end. Here digit 6 is repeating. So if you remainder is not getting 0, division does not come to an end. Now your quotient no one digit is repeating. So you have to stop this division. Okay. So now five upon 12 right here. Question what is given. Quotient what you got, you have to see that 0.4166. Now digit 6 is repeating, no. On number 6 you have to put here dot of. Okay, because only one digit is repeating here. If two digits are repeating, then you have to put line on the top of the number. If one digit is repeating, then you have to put dot on the top of the number, and after that there is no need to write here which digit is repeating after putting dot. So 0.4166 is I got quotient. So you have to write 0.416. If digit 6 is repeating, on number 6 you have to put dot here. So after that no need to write another 6 here. Which digits are repeating, how many digits are repeating, you have to see that, and according to that you have to put line or dot, and no need to write again and again that only number after putting dot or line on the top of that number. This is the answer.